The chairman Meghalaya State Planning Board, Mr. Lambor Malnyang, today laid the foundation stone for the upgradation from single to intermediate lane, including necessary improvement of Pomlakrai to Ringisha Long Road. Funded by the World Bank, an amount of 3.36 crore rupees has been sanctioned for the project, which will include widening, metalling, and blacktopping of the 1.900 kilometers road. Speaking on the occasion, Malnyang said that Pomlakrai has long been neglected and the time has come for the felt needs of the people to be addressed. Seeking the cooperation of all stakeholders, particularly the people of the village, for the smooth execution of the project, he expressed hope that once completed, the road will prove to be a boon for the people of that area. Adding that many development initiatives have been undertaken in the area in the past few months. He also informed that groundwork is currently on for the establishment of a PHC in Pomlakrai Pullun so that people would no longer need to travel all the way to Pomlum PHC for medical attention. Speaking on the occasion, Gavin M. Malim, MLA Sora constituency, lauding the efforts of the local MLA in ensuring that the needs of his constituencies are heard by the government, said the improvement of the road which connects Latkor, Pomlakrai and Latlingkot Road will immensely benefit the people, particularly in easing traffic jams.